Hello, today we'll be doing tenses. Tenses are the basic things about English grammar and we use tense in every single sentence we speak. Tenses are basically firstly divided in three parts, which is present, past and future. Present is what is happening right now. Today is present. Everything that is happening in the present is called present tense. Okay? Past tense, whatever has happened before is called past tense. Yesterday was past tense, 2019 was past tense, 1947 was past tense. Okay? Now coming to future. Future is what has never happened till now. What will happen tomorrow? Tomorrow is future tense. 2021 is future tense. What will happen 5 years after, 5 years ahead, that will be future tense. So these are the basic three tenses: present, past and future. Okay? Yesterday, today and tomorrow. I'll also write this down for you. Today is present. Yesterday is past. Tomorrow is future. Okay? But tenses are also divided in 4 subparts. First is simple tense. Okay? It's not just called simple, it's called simple present or simple past or simple future, depending on what sentence we are using. Okay? Abhi I am deleting this. ठीक. If I am saying something right now, I am holding a pen. This is a present continuous tense. So इसको ऐसे बोलते हैं present continuous. ठीक है? या present simple और present perfect और future perfect continuous, past perfect. This is how the terminology is. Okay? First of all, simple. ठीक है? Not just simple, present simple. Present simple is I sit. This is just present simple, just as the name says. Simple. I sit, I run, I drink tea, I do this, I do that. ठीक है? It's not a sentence like I am doing something. If there's doing something, then that's continuous tense. ठीक है? There's always ing where continuous tense is there. ठीक? Now coming back to present simple. Present simple is just basic I or he or she or anything and the verb. Alright? Without any ing, without any past tense of ed. Now coming to past simple. Past simple, in past simple we change the verb's tense. Okay? For example, he sit will change to he sat. That's pretty much it. Only the verb changes its past, its tense. Okay? Now coming to future simple. Remember how we say it: future simple, past simple, present simple. Future simple is also, just as the name says, simple, and only a will adds. See, I will drink tea. Present was I drink tea. I do this, I do that, or she runs, or she likes flowers, which is also present tense. And I said she likes and I like. This will do in future classes. Why this s is added when we are talking about her, and why there is no s when I am talking about myself. But for now we are doing tenses. But I hope we have already discussed that one. Coming back to future simple, again only a will is added to show that something will happen in the future. ठीक है. It's not happened till now, it has not happened in the past, it will happen in future. So we'll add a will. And sometimes instead of will, word shall is also added, and shall represents I. Okay, it's it's usually added with I shall be doing this, I shall do that, I shall I hope you get the idea. Now coming to continuous. Just as the name says, continuous has to represent what is happening in the present, or was happening in the past, or will be happening in the future. Okay, in continuous format. So there always be an ing added to the sentence to represent the continuous form of the sentence. Suppose I will be sleeping in my house at night. So this moment is not night, this moment is not that moment, so this will happen in future. So what I'll say, I will be sleeping. So since it is future, will be added. Since it is continuous, ing will be added. Okay, and be is added to make the sentence make sense. Okay, I will be sleeping, so this will happen in future. And if I am saying that I was cycling this morning, which is not present, which is past tense, so I was cycling in the morning. And if I have to say this sentence in simple past, so I will simply say I cycled this morning. Alright, so that was continuous. Past continuous, I was cycling. Future continuous, I will be sleeping. Alright, and in case of present continuous, we can see I am running, I am drinking tea, she is doing this, she is doing that, he is doing that. So ing and will. I'll keep this ing here. Ing, okay, I'm sorry. Ing is added in continuous and will is added for future. Alright, so this makes it easy to understand. Now coming to perfect. Alright, present perfect. Present perfect will have a have, had. I mean, in case of past there will be had, and in case of present and future there will be have and will have. So this is the basic rule about it. I have run. See, you have to tell someone that you have already done this. Okay, but if you have recently done this, like in present, I have done teaching you simple present tense. Alright, so I'll say I have done this. But if this was yesterday, if this was far back, I will say I had taught you simple present tense. So instead of have, there will be had, and the teach will turn to taught. Sorry. In case of perfect tense, the verb will always be in past tense. All right. So we'll redo this part. I have taught you. So you can see the verb here is in past tense, but this sentence in itself is present perfect tense. Alright, because of this have. Only this have makes it present perfect tense. Otherwise, if this was had, I had taught you, then this will come under the past perfect tense. Alright, the in perfect tense the concept is have and has. She has, I have, he had. These all come under the perfect tense. Okay, had goes under past, and if we take a future, this will be I will have. But she will has नहीं होगा, she will have only. Alright, so if we have to form a sentence, we'll say, if we have to form a sentence with perfect and future perfect tense, suppose I will be sleeping at night, ठीक है, but in future perfect tense this will be I will have slept tonight. So the thing is, it's future, so will come, and since it's perfect, then have slept will come. Alright, so this will be have plus verb in past form. So this is irrespective of whether it's present perfect or past perfect or future perfect, the verb will always be in the past form.